Okay, let's look at the second example. Britney Spears' new CD is her most innovative album so far. It's got the best music of any new pop music CD this year, and all the DJs are playing it on the radio stations across the United States. Accordingly, Britney Spears' new CD is sure to win an award this year. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is figure out what the conclusion is. And this accordingly, I think, is going to tip us off as to what the conclusion is. Because accordingly is telling us that it's according to that other stuff, that all the stuff above that are reasons for this thing coming up. So accordingly is a conclusion indicator, which we are going to put in square brackets, which now tells us that we want to, our conclusion that we're going to underline is going to be that Britney Spears' new CD is sure to win an award this year. And what's pretty clear is, if we're looking for reasons for that, her new CD is her most innovative album so far. Okay. The album's got the best new music of any CD that's a pop CD this year. Sounds like another premise. And all the DJs are playing it across the United States. Okay, which now tells us that we can put this in standard form in the following way. That is, we see what our conclusion is right over here. If I could run my PC, I'd be in good shape. That is, we're going to see that that is our conclusion, that her new CD, Britney Spears' new CD, is sure to win an award this year. And now we have a bunch of premises. I'm just going to copy them en masse, so to speak, and we'll put them together one by one. That is, her new CD is her most innovative album so far. It's one premise. It's got the best music of any new pop CD this year. It sounds like another premise. And all the DJs across the United States are playing it on a radio station. And we need to also draw the line for the conclusion. And let me now make this a little bit smaller so that we'll be able to fit our argument in standard form on our page. If I can put those all with numbers, I don't need a number for number 4. This is going to be 5, or I have a better way of doing it. And if we just come here and I underline that, okay, and I think here we have the problem, the argument in standard form. Britney Spears' new CD is her most innovative album so far. It's got the best music of any new pop CD, new pop music CD this year. All the DJs are playing it on radio stations across the United States. Therefore, Britney Spears' new CD is sure to win an award. Sounds like we have the argument in standard.